everybody! So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be making an American Girl video, and because I haven't made one in a really long time, so I can't wait to make one. And today I'm going to be doing a Dutch braid on my American Girl doll, and this is one of the My American Girl dolls that I got. And so I'm going to be doing this Dutch braid, and let's see how it goes. So, but before I get started, I'm going to be showing what I'm going to be using, because why not? And so I'm going to be using a spray bottle with water in it, an American Girl hairbrush, and it has a lot of hairs on it, and some hair ties. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna be spraying with this spray bottle with water in it. I'm gonna spray here the side that I'm using. Like, I'm not gonna use the other side right now, so I'm just gonna brush this side out and just add a little bit of water, and make sure that you don't get it on your doll's face. Oops, yeah. Get my hair out the way. And her hair is like kind of wavy, so it's like easy to brush. Not too curly, not too straight. Okay. And so first I'm gonna be taking a strand from the front, and gonna look a little messy, so I'm gonna take my brush and brush it out to make you have a smooth. I think I just had a little big strand there. Okay. And so you're gonna divide it into 3 pieces just like a normal braid. So I'm making a Dutch braid, so it's basically the opposite of a French braid. So first I'm taking the middle piece and I'm gonna put it over the right piece. And I'm gonna do that to the same thing with the middle piece and put it over the left piece. Then I'm gonna take a strand from here and I'm gonna add it to the right piece and take the middle piece and put it over the right. Then we're grabbing a piece from the left and then adding it to the left. We're putting the middle piece over the left, and I'm trying to make it a little bit tight so it will not be like really loose. And I'm just going to be doing that over and over. And I'm not a master at hairstyling, so it's not going to be the best Dutch braid, but it's like okay, I guess. And as you can see, the braid is starting to like form up, and it's kind of like the opposite, because of French braid, like it doesn't really pop up, it more like goes down. You know what I'm talking about? And since it like the hair is like towards the ear, and I'm gonna stop at the ear, so I don't do too many strands. So now I'm just gonna be normally braiding without using any strands to make a little braid. Oopsie. And then I'm gonna stop about here, and I'm gonna take one of my rubber bands like that. And so that's your Dutch braid, but on the bottom piece it kind of looks a little bit messy. So we're gonna take this braid like over, and we're gonna be brushing out the bottom here because it kind of got messy from taking the strands. So that's good. So that's one braid on the right side, and now I'm going to be doing the same thing on the left side. I'm going to divide it into 3 equal pieces. Middle over the right, middle over the left. Take a strand from the right, add it to the right, middle over the right. Take a strand from the left. Da, 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 da. And I'm gonna stop right at the ear and just make a normal braid without grabbing any strands. This side was probably like, okay. And tie it around like so. So then I did the second braid, and this is what it looks like when you're done in the front. It looks pretty nice. And here's what it looks like the back. It's like, it has a lot of frizzies, but that's okay. And forgot to brush. Oopsie. So that is the back of the Dutch braids, and it's pretty okay. It's not the best Dutch braids ever, but it's an okay, I guess, because it has a lot of frizzies. But that's all today. Please comment down below, what do you think about my job of attempting to make 2 Dutch braids? Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye!